Hi, guys. This is Dr. Sheila Sapp of Sheila E Cares Educational Consulting and Services. How are you? Well, friends, I have another tip for you. Now, I don't know if you are a homeschooler or if your child attends school in person, but most parents and caregivers like to work with their children at home. So I'm going to show you something because if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I am big on low cost items. And many of you may already have what I'm going to show you in your home. If you get the newspaper, you know they always have coupons or ads. Did you know that you don't have to go out and buy letters or coloring books or even flashcards if you don't want to? Here's a sheet from Dollar General. They can circle letters, numbers on this sheet. You can have them name objects. You can talk about categories, what things are foods or what are some fruits or meat. They also, of course, in naming what these objects are, then you can also help build their vocabulary. And for older children, like for example, this meat, this shoulder roast is $3.99 a pound. Well, that older child can figure out what a roast that was 4 pounds would cost. Of course, you can do multiplication, you can do subtraction and division, but I just wanted to point out to you that there are many things that you can use these coupons and ads for. They can cut out pictures, as I said, name the objects. You can have them find shapes. I already mentioned colors, and also sight words and number recognition. So that's my little tip for you today. And again, as you know, I always like to see parents and children work together. And I'm the type of person, if I can save you some money, I will. And if you're interested in learning more about how you can help your child at home, I can show you how you can use different household chores like folding clothes, or if you're doing something in the kitchen or in the dining room, and you can turn your rooms into a learning laboratory. And I wrote this book several years ago called The Learning House. And if you're interested in getting a copy, it is $20 plus $5 for shipping. So I'll leave my contact information in the box below. And if you're interested in buying a book, or if you want to see some more ideas, check out my videos on my YouTube channel. So you take care and be safe. And don't forget, Sheila E cares. Bye.